So you just saw a situation, a very particular situation where two girls were close to my car and decided to make some things behind it, and Sentry Mode was activated. And today in this video, we are going to talk about Sentry Mode, configurations, sensitivity, also how to access the recordings, how to retrieve recordings to your mobile phone. Also, I will show you a couple of situations that the car recorded and what happens when the Sentry Mode is activated. So what does the people outside of the car will see if they look inside the car. So let's just jump to the video and start with the configuration. So first, let's go to the settings of the car. Let's go down here to intelligent imaging, go down here, and you will see the category for the Sentry Mode. Here you can activate Sentry Mode by just clicking here and clicking enable, and these will stay on while you are outside of the car. So if you just leave the car and close the doors, the Sentry Mode will remain active and will record any event that will occur during that time. So when you come back again to the car, then the system will notify you if there was anything and let you see the cameras for those events. And the Sentry Mode then will be disabled. So you need to activate it every single time that you leave the car. At the end of the video, I will show you an automatic way with X combos to activate Sentry Mode, and there are a couple of things that you can use it for your preferences. Then, of course, here you can also define the sensitivity of the Sentry Mode. So basically here, you just define it if you want the sensitivity to be low, medium, or high, and you need to take this in consideration. If the sensitivity is set to low, only big risky events will be detected and recorded. If Sentry Mode is set to high, then even slight movements will be recorded. So you need to take in consideration that if more events will be recorded, then you need more space. If you only use low, then of course you may lose some events that are not recorded because the sensitivity is set to low. So do test it and define the best setting for you. In my personal opinion, I have it on medium, but even on medium, the car does record a bunch of events that are not really relevant for the security of the car. So in fact, there are a lot of false positives with medium sensitivity. To check what happened during your absence from the car, you just need to go to the app drawer and you will have here a Sentry Mode recording app available. So you just need to click it and you will see that all events that were recorded will be stored here, split it by months, so that you can review them. So what can we do with this? For instance, click on select, and then you can just select a couple of recordings and then just delete it or just save them to the phone. Then, of course, you can manage storage. So you will see that the car has available some space. And as you can see here, so the recordings will be saved here in the car for 90 days. So as soon as the 90 days are reached, then they will be automatically deleted and new events will be recorded. To download to your mobile app, you just need to in one of the videos, for instance, click here to the download, okay, and then you just need to activate your XPeng app, and you will receive then the files. If you want to be here and select a couple of them, so you just need to select, and then you just need to select them and just click on the download, and you will see that the amount of space that it will be downloaded to your mobile.
So here on the app, you just need to connect to the XPeng hotspot, and then you just open the app and you will receive then the files from the XPeng. You just click on receive, you allow, and it will be transferred to your mobile. And check the recordings. So if we go to the albums, you will see here on the recent, there is here then the recording.
And to delete, it's the same. Okay, then as you can see, there are some recordings with a mark over there that it's when the car states that there are risk events. So in principle, they are events that are putting the car in danger. Okay, so let's see a couple of them so that you understand what is triggering and what happens to the car. So first, for instance, let's go for this one. And here, as you can see, the car is parked. If you see here on the driving recorder, you will see a red dot here that it states where the event was recorded and the event that was in reality the one that triggered the recording for the car. So basically what we are going to see here is just a couple of persons moving around, and there is one person very close to the car, there are a couple of other persons very close to the car, and that's why the car detected that and started recording. Let's go for some events in the night so that it's easier for you guys to see what the car does. Let's go, for instance, here. Let's see this one. So we have a person, so we are in a parking lot, a closed one. We have someone parking close to us, and then, as you can see, the person leaves the car. He sees that this is a brand new car. He decides to check the car. So nothing special. It's just checking the car. But as the car detects that someone is very close, it will start blinking here. So someone is already touching the car and looking inside. Okay. And see the car start blinking, alerting the person that he is being recorded. And then immediately the person leaves. So in here also at 2:30 in the morning in this day, there were two girls here next to this car, and this girl here, if you see closely, it's probably difficult for you to see, but she was doing something. It was peeing or something like that next to the car. They decided to come to my car, to the back of the car here, to pee also. And you will see that the person will just start going down to do their stuff, but the car will start alerting and they start running away because they were alerted. So again, I was saved from bad smell in this case. Let me show you another one, another example of what the Sentry Mode will detect. So in this case, it was in fact my kids that just started running towards the car so that whoever reached first would get preferred space. But I was very far away, so the car didn't open. This means that someone, because the car doesn't know who my kids are, someone starts touching the car, and the car did record it. So you will see the kids coming in this camera here door. So see them coming here. So both of them. So they are trying to open the door, and because of that, then the car starts blinking again to alert that it was being recorded. So these are a couple of examples. So as you can see, there are a bunch of recordings here. Most of them are false positives, but I do believe that it's better to have these false positives than a bad situation not recorded. That's why I kept it on medium, because I have space. If it was already taking over too much space, probably I would reduce this to low sensitivity, but for me it is very good. So I just activated the Sentry Mode in my car. Now I will go next to it to activate so that you can see what happens to the car when someone approaches it when Sentry Mode is on. Oops. It starts blinking, and inside there's this message.
Risk events. Please go to driving recorder to review them.
So guys, this is the implementation of the Sentry Mode on the XPeng cars. I do believe that there are still room to be improved, mainly on the notifications for the mobile app. So we currently do not receive the video recordings when there is a Sentry Mode trigger. So we just receive an alert saying that there was a trigger that on the Sentry, but then we need to come to the car and check the recordings over there. So I do believe that we could have these implemented in a way that we could receive immediately the recordings, so that we could see if even if it was a false positive, or if it was in reality something that we need to take in consideration immediately. This is the Sentry Mode implementation on XPeng. It works, as you saw already in some of the videos that I show you, and I have a bunch more already recordings that took away people that were just curious or not, we don't know, but people that were too close to the car. So for the last part of this video, I just want to share with you a couple of X combos that you can use to activate automatically the Sentry Mode. As you know, from version 5.6, we have now more triggers to use on the X combos. We have a video, I made a video on the X combos that you can check over here. On that video I explain how to create X combos, but I will leave you with some codes and some X combos that you can use to activate Sentry Mode immediately as soon as you leave the car. And I will put another X combo that is the one that I use because I usually don't activate Sentry Mode when I am at home, because I have the car plugged in and I have cameras, surveillance cameras, so I don't need the Sentry Mode when I am at home, to only initiate when charger is not plugged in to the car. So I will leave you with these two X combos so that if you want to use them, be free to use them. Okay guys, so thank you very much again. Please leave a comment if you have any doubts or if you have anything to say. And of course, if you like the video, just subscribe, put your like over there. You know that it will help. And thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.